Hello, and welcome to the CTO Online Helpdesk tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to submit a new support ticket, how to check the status of an existing ticket, and how to register for a helpdesk profile. To open a new ticket, the first thing you'll need to do is visit the CTO Helpdesk portal by typing support.ctontario into the address bar of your browser. Once you arrive at the Helpdesk client page, click the blue Open a New Ticket button in the right-hand side of the page. You'll then be redirected to a page to be filled out with your email address, name, and phone number. All fields that are marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be filled out in order to create a ticket. Below the contact information is the Help Topic drop-down menu. Choosing a help topic will help to direct and streamline the information that you're submitting to the help desk. Choose a help topic that is most relevant to your question or issue. Once you choose a help topic, various form fields will appear on the page below, depending on which help topic was selected. Again, complete any mandatory fields that are marked with a red asterisk. The project ID is mandatory, and so is the center name if you're reporting a technical issue. Most help topics require you to enter a summary and description. You could think of the summary field as the subject line of an email and the text box below it as the body of the email. So there's an example of your description of the problem. And then once you're finished, you're just going to press the Create Ticket button at the bottom of the page. Once you've submitted the ticket, you'll be brought to this confirmation page to confirm that your ticket has been submitted successfully. The CTO Online Helpdesk allows you to check the status of a ticket that you've submitted in a variety of different ways. The easiest way to do this is just to click the link in the email that you received to confirm that the ticket was created successfully. So I used a temporary email address to submit a ticket, and this is the email that I got to confirm that the ticket was successfully created. If I open that email, you can see that there's two different links that allow me to open my ticket and check the progress within the CTO Helpdesk system. So if I click on the link, I'll be taken to the ticket. I can see that the status is still open. And if I need to, I can add any additional information in the Post a Reply field here, this text box, and then I can click Post Reply. Another way you can check the status is by using one of the Check Ticket Status buttons from the CTO Helpdesk login page. From there, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to enter in the email address that you used to create the ticket, as well as the ticket number that you were assigned. If you don't know what that is, then you can open up the email that you received where the ticket number should be included. Then you can click the email access link. And as you can see, an access link was sent to the email address that I provided. So I'm just going to go over to that, check to see that I received that email, and there it is. So if I open up this email, you can see I have a link there, and that takes me to the same place, which is just a ticket within the helpdesk system where I can view the status or add any additional information. Another way you can check the status of a ticket is to log in directly to the system and access all of the tickets that you've ever created. To do this, you'll need to register for an account by clicking the Sign In button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From here, you'll need to click on the Create an Account button, and then you can proceed to fill out all of the necessary contact information. It includes your email address, your full name, your phone number, and then you'll need to select a password. You will receive a confirmation that an email has been sent, and you'll need to click on the link within that email to confirm your account and gain access to all of your tickets. So I'm going to go back to my email, and so here is the email that I was sent when I registered for an account, and if I click on this link, I'll confirm my account and gain access to all of the tickets that I've submitted. So if I go to tickets now, I can see the tickets that I have currently submitted, and there you go. When I'm finished, I can go to sign out, and then I'm back at the login page. And that's how you can create a ticket and check the status of a ticket within the new CTO Online Helpdesk system. Thank you.